What's going on, guys? I've got a brand new deal for you. That link down below is going to give you a special deal. So welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Subflow. I'm going to shoot right in there now and tell you how you can build and scale your membership with Subflow, all right? I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's get straight in. Here it is, guys. Subflow.com. Again, that link down below is going to give you a special deal. Only exclusive to this channel. Now, I want to play straight away, all right? Subflow, it launches free and paid SMS memberships in a matter of minutes, build recurring revenue, and deliver content efficiently to your subscriber via text message. Now, let's have a look. This will explain it a lot better with a little bit of interactive video, all right? So let's have a little look. You can see they're all texting, they're all trying to get their services running.
Influencers and content creators are all using Subflow to build text-based memberships. Why? Because it's never been easier to monetize your communication and content with your following. With Subflow, you can create a membership in minutes, promote to your audience with a custom URL, and deliver value directly utilizing SMS. Have personalized conversations by texting your subscribers directly, or scale your offering by broadcasting content to multiple subscribers at once. Subflow provides everything you need to build, manage, and scale your SMS memberships with an easy-to-use web-based application.
This is incredible, guys.
Launch, text, and get paid. Book a demo today to learn how easy it is to launch your SMS membership utilizing Subflow.
Guys, I'm excited about that, all right? There's things that I've always wanted to do, and I've always found it pretty hard. This sort of simplifies that for me, all right? You can actually put your details in and get a demo straight away. Now, it's never been easier, all right? All you got to do is start a membership that caters to the audience interested. So you can either do it teaching your students, supporting your clients, or inspiring your audience, all right? So whether you're an influencer, whether you're a teacher, or whether you just have something. For example, I'm a scuba diver instructor. I could support my scuba diving students constantly, even after they've done their course, all right, using this membership. Now, using it is easy. All you got to do is create your membership, all right? It takes less than a minute to create a subscription, choose your price, and publish it, all right? Capture your audience, so you benefit from owning your audience and maintaining control. So when they see your content and communication, and send your content. So use the SMS to deliver value of one-to-one conversation and drive your audience directly to your content. Where should you begin? Now, if you're wondering where you should begin, this is some of the questions that actually get asked straight away. So why should I offer a content membership? Maybe you have a service providing that working full time to generate valuable content that never gets seen. By offering membership to that content, you can guarantee your audience is seeing your content, all right? Do you have a managed members payments? Currently, they're our industry's lowest for content memberships platform. They charge $9 a month, all right? That's $20 for 1,000 SMS credits, 3.5% tracked. We see most providers are still using 80 to 90% margin on their memberships. So any more question, guys, just get in here and have a look. All right, it's super easy. Just click the create a membership. I want to show you the solution. So if you're an influencer, let's just have a look. I showed you how it works, but you can actually click here and it'll give you a little demo.
Building a following through various engagement channels. The problem is, even when that audience is built, continuing to capture their attention and convert them into revenue is easier said than done. What if there was a way to build a channel that has one of the highest engagement rates in the world, and your followers pay you monthly for the content you have to offer? Too good to be true? It's not. Introducing Subflow. Subflow is a subscription-based engagement platform that leverages the most effective communication tool in the world, SMS, to engage your audience and convert them into recurring revenue for your business. Why SMS? With an open rate of 99% within 3 minutes and a click-through rate of nearly 30%, SMS is by far the most effective way to engage with your audience. Compare that to the conversion rates of social media, or even worse, email. How does it work? Simply create a paid or free subscription product in less than 10 minutes. Start driving your audience to a custom landing page to subscribe. Utilize Subflow messages to broadcast your content to all subscribers or to selective groups. And use the Subflow chat feature to have more personalized one-on-one conversations with your subscribers. It's as simple as that. Nothing beats building recurring revenue while increasing customer loyalty and satisfaction.
There you go, guys. Super interesting, right? And you can go through all the different ones, content creators, health and fitness, and watch all these videos, all right? Now I'm going to jump to the price, and I'm not going to show you every single one, so please do your own research. But that link down below, click that link. You're about to get this special kind of pricing. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, guys, so launch is starting at $35 billed monthly. Community, which is coming soon, is going to be $85. And guess what? If you don't see all the stuff you need in here, if you've got a big team, or if you want to get this tailored to you, you can actually contact them and get your own price. Now, with the launch, let's start at the beginning. You're getting 1,000 messages collected. You're getting payments from members, unlimited customers, unlimited members, two-way communication, broadcast messaging, 3.5% revenue share, and Stripe processing fee. With the community one, you're getting everything in there. Plus, you're getting a community mobile app, community channels, group chat, roles, 5 user accounts, and content prosperity. Now, with the enterprise, obviously you can get everything in every package, plus no revenue share, discounted messaging, dedicated developer support, white label software, short code, 10 DLC. This is if you need to get it tailored to you. All you got to do is click join the waitlist, either contact them or just get started now. Once you click get started now, it takes you straight to this page, right, where you actually start building it for yourself. It's really, really cool, right, and it helps you all the way through. So please know that link down below, you're going to get the special deal that I'm showing you right now, all right? It's only for our channel. Please keep supporting us. I'm super excited about this. Let me know in the comments if you are too. There you have it, guys. Subflow, I told you it would be incredible. Please hit that link down below. Keep supporting us as well. All right, if you're an influencer, if you're just part of a community, Subflow is incredible for you. I'm going to start using it for my SMS provider. All right, it makes it super easy to connect with your community. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified. I'm going to see you on the next video.